It's my new computer from ASUS. I want to buy a little bit bigger machine than I have. I have only this laptop, and for a long time I want to buy a little bit bigger machine for work with everything. And this is a little bit bigger machine. This box have a fantastic machine inside, and we will soon look at it. So we have to open it. It's sealed here, of course. There. So I think I have to put this on floor and take it up. Box in the box. Oh, here is it. It's look like this. 27-inch. And everything is built inside this machine. That's cool. See here, you have and so thin. Fantastic. Power supply and two manuals, two small manuals. That's all. So it's 16 gigabyte RAM, 16, and it have the 8th generation of processor i7 processor, 16 gigabyte RAM. It have 1 terabyte hard drive and 256 gigabyte SSD. Yeah, and a good screen. The screen is full HD, but anyway, it's fantastic with good good sound. So here in the corner, Intel Core i7. First time test. The computer should not stay here, but it's only a test. Testing. Just a moment. And under this mouse you have this and then we can connect with the computer like there. Yes, big screen. Hello, hello, hello. It's so many updates. It's beautiful. Really. And I like that everything is built in this machine. It's so thin, minimalistic. Here is this for wireless keyboard, a mouse. This dongle. ASUS. So no big cabinet, no big things, only this screen, mouse and keyboard.